Hello students, good morning. Yes, we have started with the chapter alcohols, phenols and ethers. Today let us continue with the chapter. In the previous class we have studied the introduction of the chapter as well as we were studying about the classification of alcohols. Yes, we are taking one by one. First study of alcohols, then phenols and ethers. Got it? Yes. What are alcohols? Okay, hydroxyl group will be the hydrogen atom of the hydrocarbons, aliphatic hydrocarbons will be replaced by the hydroxyl group. Those are called as alcohols. Got it? Okay. In the previous class, we were discussing about the classification of alcohols. Okay, alcohols are mainly classified in two categories. One is based on the number of OH groups attached, and second one is based on the hybridization of the carbon atom to which OH group is attached. Okay, based on the number of carbon atoms, monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols and finally polyhydric alcohols. Okay, and based on the carbon atom hybridization of the carbon atom, one is the alcohols in which OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Second one in which OH group is attached to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay. Yes, we have completed monohydric, dihydric, trihydric and polyhydric alcohols with the examples. Okay, and today let us study the compounds containing OH group on the carbon atom which is sp3 hybridized. Compounds containing OH group on sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Compounds containing OH group on sp3, I write in short carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Compound containing, okay, here I had given the chart now. Here again three types are there, that is saturated aliphatic alcohols, saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols. Whatever the classification we are studying, that is with respect to the monohydric alcohols. Okay, saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols, allylic alcohols and benzylic alcohols. Okay, saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols. Saturated means what? Single bonded, isn't it? Saturated and aliphatic. Aliphatic means what? Alkyl, not aromatic. Okay, saturated, aliphatic and monohydric means containing one OH group. Saturated, aliphatic and monohydric alcohols. What are saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols? The alcohols in which OH group is attached to an alkyl group. Okay, the alcohols in which OH group is attached to the alcohol in which OH group is attached to an alkyl group. That is OH group is attached to an alkyl group. Okay, and these saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols are further classified as what? Yes, primary alcohol. Okay, in the previous chapter we have studied what are primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. In the same way it is. Okay, to understand this we should know what is primary carbon atom, secondary carbon atom and tertiary carbon atom. Okay, carbon atom attached with the 2 or 3 hydrogen atoms directly is called as primary carbon atom. Carbon atom attached with the 1 hydrogen directly is called as secondary carbon atom. Carbon atom attached with the no hydrogens directly is called as tertiary carbon atom. Got it? Okay, now see what are primary alcohols. Yes, students, you should able to write or you should able to identify whether the given is primary, secondary attached to the alcohol. Yes, the general formula of primary alcohol is RCH2OH. Remember, see, in the primary primary alcohols are those in which OH group is attached to the primary carbon atom. What happens here? OH group is attached to, isn't it? OH group is attached to primary carbon atom. Is called as primary alcohol. What is the general formula of the primary alcohol? R means this alkyl group may be extended one. It may be bigger one or smaller one, but OH group is attached to the what? Primary carbon atom. Remember, okay? RCH2OH. Okay, CH3OH. Okay, it is not following this formula, but even it is comes under the category of what? Primary carbon atoms, because the carbon atom containing either 2 hydrogens directly attached or 3 hydrogens directly attached will be called as what? Primary carbon atom. Therefore, this is also an example for primary alcohol. But generally, what is the general formula of the primary alcohols? Means what we say? RCH2OH. So, what are the examples of primary alcohol, students? R means one alkyl group you attach. CH3. Next, CH2. Next, OH. What is the name of this one? Ethanol. Am I right? Yes. Or you can extend this. CH2, CH3. CH3, CH2, CH2, OH like this. Okay? This is about the primary alcohols. Okay. Next one is what? Secondary alcohols. Okay, you can define it, isn't it? What are secondary alcohols? The alcohols in which OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom. In which OH group is attached to, okay, secondary can also be written like this. Okay, secondary carbon atom. Okay, in which OH group is attached to secondary carbon atom are called as secondary alcohols. Okay, you tell me the general formula of this one. R2CHOH. Why I have written here R2? Because CH is a secondary carbon atom. Okay, to satisfy this its valency, 2 more are needed here. See, it is like this. One side OH is attached, one side H is attached, isn't it? It is in this form. Okay, to satisfy the valency of the carbon atom, 2 another groups are needed. So it is like this. Therefore, R2CHOH is where R is what? You have to remember, isn't it? Where R is an alkyl group generally. Okay, where R is an alkyl group or it may be aryl group also, because it is not directly attached to the benzene ring. That we'll study in case of benzyl alcohols. Okay, okay, where R is an alkyl or aryl group here, remember. Okay, yes. Example for secondary alcohol. Yes, you write an example for secondary alcohol, students. C is at the center. It should be secondary. Secondary means one hydrogen atom should be directly attached to this, isn't it? Secondary carbon atom to which OH is attached. Secondary carbon atom to which OH is attached. Another 2 must be any of the groups, but not hydrogen atoms. Okay? Here one CH3 are attached, another CH3 are attached. Yes, try to name this. Yes, we have not yet studied nomenclature, but in the first year itself we have studied nomenclature, isn't it? Yes, sir. I'll write it in an easier way. CH, OH, CH3, CH3. Yes, it is an example for secondary alcohol. First, identify the longest carbon chain to which hydrogen atom is attached. As to which OH group, functional group is attached. This is the longest carbon chain, isn't it? Numbering 1, 2, 3. Therefore, name of this one is what? Propan to all, or common name of this one is isopropyl alcohol. Okay, the common name of this one is what? Isopropyl alcohol. Yes, next one is tertiary alcohols. What are tertiary alcohols? Alcohols in which OH group is attached to what? Tertiary carbon atom. Very easy. In which OH group is attached to tertiary carbon atom. Okay, you tell me the general formula. General formula is R3COH. Is the general formula. Carbon balance is satisfied here? Yes, because 3 R's are attached. See? 3 R groups are attached, 1 OH. Yeah, as there are no directly attached hydrogen atoms with the carbon atom, we will call it as a tertiary. Okay, R3COH. Okay, don't think that only 2 bonds are there, carbon balance is not satisfied here. R3, together I have written here. Okay, the example CH3, OH. Now identify the longest carbon chain. See, this is the longest carbon chain to which OH is attached. If you consider this, that we will go wrong, isn't it? Okay, numbering 1, 2, 3. Okay, this will be the prefix always. Therefore, 2-methyl propan 2-ol. 2-methyl propan 2-ol. Okay. Tertiary butyl alcohol is also the common name. Tertiary butyl alcohol or 2-methyl propan 2-ol. This is about the tertiary alcohols. Okay. Next, after the discussion of saturated aliphatic alcohols, primary, secondary, tertiary. Next one is what? You can look at the chart. That is allylic alcohols. Okay. It is also very easy. What is allylic group? I've told you, isn't it? This is called as allylic group. How? CH2 double bond CH2. This is called as allylic group. Okay, the same thing I have written here. If to this allylic group OH is attached, those are called as what? Allylic alcohols. See, I have written a definition here. The alcohols in which OH group is attached to what? sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is further attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. See? OH group is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom. sp3 hybridized carbon atom, CH2 it is, okay, which is further attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. Isn't it? OH group is attached to an sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is further attached to the carbon-carbon double bond. Understood, students? Yes, these are called as what? Allylic alcohols. The alcohols in which OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next, sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Next, it is next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Got it? Yes. According to the definition, I have written an example here. Yes, what is the name of this one? 1, 2, 3. Prop, okay, numbering 1, 2, 3. Prop 2 in 1 on. Okay, 1, 2, 3 numbering. 2 in, okay, 1 on. Don't get confused here. OH group will always be attached to, in such category, OH group is always attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom only. But next to the carbon-carbon double bond. Is that clear, students? Okay, this will be the simplest example for the allylic alcohols. Okay, next one is benzylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohols are the type of alcohols in which OH group is attached to the sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the benzene ring. Isn't it? sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to the benzene. See, benzylic alcohols are the one in which OH group is attached to, no doubt, it is attached to sp3 carbon atom, sp3 hybridized carbon atom, which is further attached to what? Benzene ring. Isn't it? The best example for this, see, I am writing the example for benzylic alcohols here. Benzene ring to which OH is not directly attached. If it is attached, we will call it as what? Phenol. Therefore, CH2OH. carbon atom, isn't it? So name of this one is benzyl alcohol. Okay, an example for benzylic alcohols. Yes, in today's class we have studied the type of alcohols in which OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. In that we have studied saturated aliphatic monohydric alcohols, primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols, allylic alcohols and benzylic alcohols. In the next class we will study OH group attached to an sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Okay, thank you.